Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Bang Tao and we're going to be taking a look at the Arinara Beach Resort. I've been very kindly invited over by a guest called Nikki who's staying here. So a big thank you to Nikki from myself and the channel, and we're going to go and meet Nikki now and start our tour. Good morning, Nikki.
Morning, Tony. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Yes, all right, good.
How are you enjoying your stay?
Loving it.
Okay.
Absolutely loving it.
Excellent. Okay, so this is the Arinara Beach Resort here in Bang Tao. So if you're considering staying in Bang Tao, I've been talking to Nikki just before we come onto camera and she said this is a fantastic location. This is her second time staying here, so she obviously likes this hotel. She's got nothing bad to say about it. I have had a quick look on the hotel's reviews and a few people have mentioned about the breakfast not being as good as it could be, but talking to Nikki, she has no complaints about the breakfast at all.
No, they've got something to cater for everybody, different areas of the world, loads of variety. So yeah, to me it's ideal. So
where are we going to go then from reception, Nikki? Where do you want to show us first?
So I can take you down to the pool area, then I can take you into the room that I've got and show you a pool access room, and then walk down to the beach and just show you the location.
Let's go and have a look around this resort. Now Bang Tao is a very popular place to stay here in Phuket. Did you have any problems checking in, Nikki?
No, it was lovely. The room wasn't ready until 3-4 o'clock, but that was fine. They let me use the pool. One of the things to say is the fish.
Oh, wow.
So they've got a machine just behind you there. If you want to just put 20 baht in there. Ah, yes. You can,
get
kids
some fish
usually
food.
Come out and feed the fish. They're obviously very well fed, as you can see.
Yes, quite a few in there as well. Very nice. Okay, so this is directly behind the reception area.
They do two different pool access rooms here. So they do the pool view, and they do the garden view. So just here you can see some of the garden view rooms.
Okay. And they have got a separate pool as well, have they?
They've got their own separate pool, yeah. Well, I think it's a shared pool between 3 or 4 different rooms.
Okay.
So last year I was on that side, this year I'm on this side. But what I'll do is I'll take you around, you can see.
And which is the better side?
Personally, I think this side, only because I think the pool's slightly bigger, or it feels slightly bigger, and...
Which pool do you mean?
So the pool access room on this side, to me, feels bigger than the pool access room on... Last year I was there just where the pool towels are hanging up.
Right.
So it's directly facing onto the pool, so there was a lot of children in front of me. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but this time I'm behind the snack bar, so for me it feels a bit more private and a bit more relaxed.
Okay.
So,
well, location's everything, isn't it? Even in the hotel. So if you're staying in the right part of the hotel, you can have a better experience. Obviously, if you're staying somewhere that may be a little bit more noisier, say, then your experience isn't going to be so good. But you can see here the pool in front is very nice. I can see some cabanas. I'm taking it that you have to pay for those?
You have to pay for those, and you have to pay for the sunbeds on the beach, but it's minimal, I believe.
Right.
But there are other sunbeds you can use on the beach that are not the hotel. Or you can just do what I do and take the towel, and it depends if you want.
Lie on the beach, yeah?
Yeah, some people do.
Okay, so I did read that actually on the hotel's reviews, that the sunbeds that are on the beach area by the hotel are not free and you have to pay for those, where a few people were sort of saying they didn't understand that. Again, I can't really comment. I guess it's the hotel's policy. Yeah. But you can see all the rooms here that overlooking the pool are very nice. And would you say your room is spacious, Nikki?
Very spacious, yeah. One thing they do have as well, so if you're coming here on a bit of a lower budget, they have some studio rooms up there, so you can see.
Okay.
I think there's 5 or 6. I don't know the prices and I don't know what's in them, but speaking to a lady last year, they were substantially cheaper.
Right. Than the
normal run of the wheel. So if
definitely, have a look on the website. Check out the hotel's website. See what grades of room they have. Obviously, they may have some studio. Would they be called apartments?
I think they're more studio rooms. I don't know what's in them, so I couldn't really tell you, unfortunately. But so this is the snack bar. So these do food and drinks throughout the day.
Have you tried it?
I've not tried the food as of yet. Because what they do here, which is a really good scheme, is like an environmental scheme. So if you opt not to have your room clean every day, they will give you 200 baht resort credit. So this is what you put on the door to opt out of your daily housekeeping. And
Right.
with that, they give you 200 baht per day credit to use in the resort.
Excellent.
So after a couple of days, you can treat yourself to a couple of drinks or some food, or you just pop that on the door every morning and grab your voucher at tea time. If you're quite clean and mercurial like me, I'm quite clean anyway, so I'll get my own things and do that. So I've only just started to do it. So after a couple of days, when I've got my couple of 100 baht, then I'll go out and get a drink and something to eat.
Oh, excellent. So you can get that credit back at the hotel?
Yeah, you just take your little,
snack
you
bar.
take your voucher to the lobby, and
Yeah.
they just give you a voucher and you can build
Excellent.
it up. So
Well,
this
there you
is
go. Little tip for you if you're
this
staying
is the
here.
second what I call is the adult pool. You can see it's relatively quiet.
Yeah.
Not many people here.
So we've got a children's area just here. Then you've got
Children's
another
area.
section at the top.
Yeah.
That I
So
can
it's
see.
3 pools going down,
Yeah,
staggering
in
down
stages,
towards the
and
area.
this is what they class as the adult pool.
Yeah, I mean,
is it adults only?
No,
do you know?
no children are welcome. There's been a lot of
Okay.
children in here, but I think it's just more. It's a bit more shallower up there, so it's okay for the
Right.
toddlers and the younger
Okay.
people. So I'll just take
Yeah.
you up to my room because it's just literally up this way.
Okay, so we're going to go and take a look at a pool access room. I believe you said it was
Yeah,
called.
so
Nikki?
it's classed as a double pool access room, but
Right.
I think it could be a family room because it's got. Well, I'll show you it's the layout. It's got a couple of beds, so come through.
Okay, so this is a pool access room. Excuse the noise there, and I can already see nice large wardrobes for your clothes. I can see there's a safe in there as well,
Yeah,
which is
loads of
great.
storage.
Air conditioning is
Ignore my
it?
Bacardi. Duty free.
Yeah, bring your own booze.
That's it.
Air conditioning, Nikki.
Air conditioning's fine. Yeah.
Works good?
It works perfectly. Yeah.
Loud
Tried
or
it.
not?
No, perfect. It's just
Okay.
just right so you don't get too hot, and then you're not waking up snuffly in the morning, which is great.
Right. Large flat screen TV.
Yeah.
And then I can see there's actually 2 sections, as Nikki
So
was saying.
there's 2 big beds, and then I've got this year, which I didn't have last year. So I think that could be classed as another, maybe a child's bed or a sofa bed if you wanted
Yeah.
to make that up.
Yeah, okay. So like you say, it could be a family room, couldn't it?
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's a.
So we've
Family
got
room.
a large double size, maybe bordering on queen size bed.
Yeah.
And then we have a
Another one.
second bed in here, looks about the same size. We've got a nice area outside on the patio. It's quite large, as you can
Yeah.
see. I'll just
So we've
nip
got the,
outside.
yeah,
And
we've
this obviously has access straight into the pool via the small gate just there.
Yeah.
So you've got somewhere to hang your wet clothes as well when you come out. And a reasonable sized pool that you've got access to.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a good size actually. So you have got your own, well, I say your own pool. It's shared with a number of rooms along here, but I see that each section, each block have their own sort of pool access rooms for each block. And then of course you've got your main swimming pool area over there. Let's just take a look at the bathroom, if that's okay, Nikki.
Yeah, go for it.
Obviously your standard
Watch the
WC,
steps.
sink, vanity mirror, towel rail, and then the shower in there. And I can already see, looking, that the decor in the room is in nice condition actually. I don't see anything knocked about.
No, it's a lovely
So,
room.
Overall, yeah, I would say this is a very nice room.
You get
very
2
nice
bottles of water every
per day. Yeah,
included.
and what's the Wi-Fi like at the hotel?
Fine, yeah, really
Works
good.
okay?
It works okay for me. I mean, I bring a couple of Sims with me anyway, but
Yeah.
the Wi-Fi is always.
Excellent. Okay,
been
so
great.
there you have the accommodation here at this resort. Very nice indeed. As I mentioned, do check out the website and see what other grades of room they've got. And we're now going to carry on looking around the resort a little bit more. We're going to take a look at the breakfast area, if I can get in there and there's not too many people, because Nikki was saying this is bed and breakfast, correct?
Yeah,
You've
bed and
had
breakfast.
bread and breakfast, so you can
Yeah.
do bed and breakfast. Do they have an on-site restaurant?
They do at the bottom, yes, which
Okay.
doubles up as a breakfast area and there's an outside area as well.
So if you want to stay only in the resort, some people do, then you can get an evening meal here as well. Obviously, I would recommend people go outside of the resorts and go
Yeah.
and experience the actual local restaurants, but there is an on-site restaurant as well as the breakfast area. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so we're now making our way towards the beautiful Bang Tao Beach. I can see, is that a second bar area, Nikki?
I'm not too sure what that is. It always seems to be quiet. It must be used for something, but yeah,
Right, and just behind that, I've noticed there's a kids club. So if you come in here as a family, you've got children, there's going to be a little bit of an area where the kids can enjoy. And to my left now, I can see, I'm guessing this is the restaurant, is it?
This is the breakfast area, with the restaurant just next door, so it does overlap.
Okay, so you've actually got two areas. You've got this first area where you will come for your breakfast, and Nikki has said that she thinks the breakfast is okay. As I mentioned earlier, I did read one or two people mention, again, everybody's different, they weren't satisfied or happy with the breakfast. They felt that it could have been better, but I can't comment on that because I haven't tried it. But Nikki's opinion is it's fine, so you have to come and take a look yourselves. And then we have the restaurant next door to it, which obviously doesn't open until late afternoon.
Late afternoon. You can get snacks during the day, and it doubles up as a bit of a beach clubby kind of thing at night.
Right, okay,
so
nice.
That's the vibe they're going for. It is always very quiet though. It's not like your bigger areas like the Lazy Coconut and Mayor and all that places. So it's not. It gives a bit of a vibe with the DJ and things like that, but it's not bang bang bang. It's more family,
more relaxed,
a
little bit more relaxed, which is nice. And another bar again. So up to now I've seen three, and I think there's one just over the back there.
Yes, there's the Corona bar there, and then I think they've got a Starbucks or a Costa.
Yeah, I saw that in the comments. People were reading about the mentioning about the Starbucks cafe and mentioning how good the staff are in there.
Lovely.
Have you tried?
No, I'm not really a coffee drinker, so
right, okay, so you haven't tried
cocktails, but and then here they've got another Corona bar at night, which is, so this is where you sit at night.
Obviously in the evening time you can come and sit in this area. It's got like a little bit of a beach club vibe to it, and then this leads directly onto the beach area, the Bang Tao Beach. And of course, if you're familiar with this area, then you will know Bang Tao Beach is a lovely beach. Great place to come and visit. If you're not staying in the area, come and visit Bang Tao because it's well worth it. And yeah, it's a nice area actually. You can sit here. Now, a few people have mentioned about the sunbeds on the beach area. I'm guessing, are they talking about those sunbeds?
I think they're those there, just to the to the right.
So it might be these sunbeds
private
here.
Sunbeds.
These belong to the hotel, but you have to pay for them.
They are chargeable.
Yeah. Do you know how much they are, Nikki?
I'm sorry, I don't use them.
Right, okay.
But,
so again, I mean, average prices around, normally on the beaches are between 250 and 300. A few people have mentioned prices have gone up lately. Cost of living here in Thailand is getting more expensive, so you do have to pay for the use of the sunbeds on the beach. But of course, the sunbeds inside the hotel by the swimming pool, they are free. I will just double check that and make sure with Nikki. But you can see, fantastic beach, beautiful hotel. So drop me some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. Have you stayed here? Are you looking at staying in Bang Tao? Would you consider this hotel? Now, Nikki has mentioned she loves the location. I did mention earlier, second visit to this hotel, so clearly she's very happy with it. And you can get Grab and a few different
Grab and Bolts outside, so you can go all over.
Very easy to get transport.
To within a matter of minutes. You're in a taxi and off you go.
Yeah, if you haven't got your own.
Great location.
Do you have to pay for the sunbeds around the swimming pool?
I think you have to pay for the cabanas,
right?
But not the sunbeds around the pool.
Okay,
they're
lovely.
all included, and your beach towels are included and everything like that. So
okay, so there you have it. So let me know some thoughts of what you think to this hotel. But first impressions for me, it's a very nice looking hotel. Nikki mentioned the staff are very nice, helpful and friendly. Security's good at the hotel. She's also mentioned that. So that is it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Comments down below. I will speak to you very soon. I eat, I ride, I explore. Until next time, I'll see you soon.